Welcome back. We were talking about a very interesting topic today, something I hadn't heard of, but it sounds like it has some really good benefits. We're talking about the mineral SHILAJIT. Am I saying that right?
You're doing very well.
Okay, thanks, Dr. Bruce.
It's a tough one.
Yeah. So I was kind of looking through this. There's a lot of benefits to it, but first we got to start. I thought it was mineral form, so I assumed it'd be in a powder or a pill. It's actually a tar?
It's actually a tar. It actually has been pressed herbs and pressed minerals for up to thousands of years.
Oh, wow.
And it comes out at a certain time each year in the Himalayas, and now they found it at other mountain sites around the world. And it comes out as this tarry resin that they harvest and then package it. And the way you take it is there's a very small spoon comes with it. You put in a small spoonful 1 to 3 times a day, and you drink it in water.
Wow.
Yeah.
You said it does have a tar taste to it, but...
That little tarry, yeah, but the big thing is, this is something that the monks in Tibet and in the Himalayas have used for thousands of years. And so the question is, does that make it good, or are monks just healthier? I don't know, you know, I mean, you don't know the data. But the simple issue in this case is, this is a product got to be careful with. It is a resin. If you get the powder, you may not be getting the right thing. If you get the other, like a capsule, you're almost sure that you're not getting it.
Okay.
So you want to buy the resin, the tar. Yeah.
And you said for thousands of years people have used this, and it's documented to improve mood, energy, health. What are the main reasons people are taking this?
I would say generally energy.
Okay.
Most people find that they feel better, they feel more willing to go. So it helps in chronic fatigue, and it helps in obesity, but not because it makes the weight go away or makes the disease go away. It makes you active.
And activity is huge. Physical health is very huge.
I mean, if you look at people who take this, they take it as really a supplement to improve their energy level.
And you were talking, this is, so if people are just tuning in, we're talking about SHILAJIT, the mineral. You were talking about Alzheimer's studies using this.
The Alzheimer's studies are very exciting. It looks like, again, this is probably a very strong neurotransmitter. It's composed of 2 very important acids, fulvic and humic, which most people would never get in any other compound.
Yeah.
And so in this case, it seems to be both antioxidant, it seems to help nerves to work, but I think energy is probably the major overall effect that people find with it.
And quick question, my thing is, if it's being harvested in the Himalayan mountains for thousands of years, how much does this cost you? Is this an expensive product?
If you buy it from Himalaya, it's very expensive.
Okay.
If you buy resin from other sources, it's in the 20s.
Okay.
But if you buy Himalayan, 90s.
It's going to cost you. Okay, well, if it works, it should cost you. Thanks, Dr. Bruce, for sharing that with us. Great info.